Hello guys, it's MRCs, and in today's video we are going to look at the autofill function in Microsoft Excel. This is a short video. I think it may take like 4 minutes, and so this is our project. So this is YouTuber Insider. I can make it Insiders. So the autofill function, it helps us to minimize the time we spend when we are numbering. So like for example, we can start with this. There are a variety of ways we can autofill. So these are our names: MRCs, The Brain, Simon King, Mr. Hen, Melon Skies, Mito Mitra, then Diadora, Dennis Duke, and yeah. So we are going to autofill. So in the procedures of autofill, always follow. We can write the first two digits, so you can write 1 and 2. Then after this you select the first two. This is 1 and 2. Then you drag and fill. So you drag. This is dragging. Let me first take it back. After selecting, you move to this square, this smallest square, this one, such that you get this cross. Then you left click and hold. Then you drag downwards, so it will autofill for you. So this is autofilling. Then okay, we can give them the serial numbers. Autofill can also work in when we are awarding serial numbers. It can also work. Like for example, we can use Y. This is YTS dash 001. So then this is I can copy this, Control C. Then I can just add on this 002. Okay. So now this is, so just imagine you are making a report of 1,000 people and you are expected to write YTS, that score, then 001. So remember, just highlight the first two. Then you can double tap, that is double left click. It will automatically autofill for you. It is the same principle. We can give them the index number. You can call it the index channel numbers, the index channel, the index channel numbers. So this one you can say channel, channel YTS, AG, A1. So this is, so remember, so this one, the brain will have CYTS slash AG slash A slash 2. So we can copy this. Remember, if you just autofill the first cell, it will automatically take you to 2. But it's always better to select this. It has an applicability, so it will just name for you. So basically this is what we call the autofill function, and we can edit our work a little bit. We apply all borders. Okay, then this is something good. But otherwise, so this is, we can center this. Maybe allowances, I can leave them there. So this is it. So basically that's the autofill function. The principle also works in days of the week. We can say days of the week. We can say days of the week. it also works in this. It is the same principle. So you just write Monday, then the next you write Tuesday. So automatically the system or the computer will adjust. So once you adjust that way, once you hold, you will notice that Wednesday is visible, then the next is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So days of the week, it's also applicable. It also works properly. Then you can say months of the year. Months of the year. So months of the year, then we have January, then we have February. Okay, so this is January, February. So I don't know, I don't think this is the spelling of February. I don't think so. Okay, this is February. So if I select these two, obviously next will be March, April, May, June, July, August, September, then December. So these same principles work. This is AutoFill function, and it's always good. So it saves time if you are handling data like this. So if you are, let us say you are at school and you have been given an assignment, a job, whereby you are required to write. Is it writing? No, it's typing, where you are required to type the students' numbers, the NIN number. This is the principle they use to when assigning NIN numbers. So this is it. If the names are arranged alphabetically, they can always generate the NIN numbers. But if we use mathematics, then it is permutations and combinations. They generate these NIN numbers by typing them. This is the system. So they can always autofill, and it can help to minimize the errors. Yeah, it can always minimize. Let me first try out something here. I see if AB, if I have AA, my next is AB. Let me see if it will give me SC. Will it give me SC? No, it won't. It will keep on giving ABA. So, but if I have A and I have B, I'm confident that my next will be SC. I don't know. It won't give me. So, but basically, this is the AutoFill function, and if you found this video helpful in one way or another, if you found it, if there's something you feel like you can add or you can ask, the video itself has a comment section just below. You just have to ask, and if you feel like there's something you need me to learn, I'm welcome to learn. If you feel like there's something I left out and you feel like it's needed, I'm willing to listen. But basically, thanks for watching this video, and feel free to subscribe, feel free to comment. You can like, share. If you found it helpful, you can like. Otherwise, have a nice day.